Rooms and areas of a house. Living room. Living room. Bathroom. Bathroom. Kitchen. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bedroom. Backyard. Backyard. Dining room. Dining room. Garden. Garden. Closet. Closet. Garage. Garage. Driveway. Driveway. Quiz time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What room is this? Bathroom or bedroom? Bedroom. What area is this? Dining room or garden? Garden. What room is this? Bathroom or living room? Bathroom. What area is this? Closet or garage? Garage. What room is this? Living room or driveway? Living room. What room is this? Kitchen or backyard? Kitchen. What room is this? Garden or dining room? Dining room. What area is this? Kitchen or backyard? Backyard. What area is this? Driveway or bedroom? Driveway. What space is this? Closet or backyard? Closet.